Hey guys, what's going on? It's Kyle with HOGWORKZ. Today we're going to be giving you a rundown of our LED HALOMAKER 7-inch headlight and provide a quick installation tutorial for 06 to current street glide models. This is a full projection LED setup designed to drastically increase visibility and rider safety while adding style to your ride. These lights feature a halo DRL which helps motorists see your bike sooner from side and front viewing angles. HOGWORKZ LED and passing lights are plug and play and include all parts required for installation on Harley-Davidson Softail and touring models, as well as Indian motorcycles. Best of all, our LED lights are covered under a lifetime warranty. This is the last light you'll need to buy for your bike. Let's go ahead and jump into the installation.
Remember to cover your fender before installation. Remove your OEM trim ring by removing the screw in the bottom. Remove the OEM headlight mounting bracket. There are 4 torque screws around the perimeter of the light. For 94 to 13 touring models, replace the OEM mounting bracket with a supplied HOGWORKZ mounting bracket. Connect the HOGWORKZ HALOMAKER headlight to the factory harness and secure with the retainer ring. For 14 and newer touring models, there is a 2-plug connector harness attached to your OEM light. Remove that harness, exposing the 4-pin connector harness, and plug in the supplied HOGWORKZ adapter harness to finish the installation. There are 3 adjustment screws around the perimeter light. Tighten each one 3 turns clockwise. Secure the OEM trim ring with the screw in the bottom.
If you're looking to give your Harley touring bike a facelift, check out our HOGWORKZ headlight trim ring. Available in black or chrome, this gorgeous trim ring is the missing link to complete your LED headlight upgrade. The HOGWORKZ trim ring fits 94 to current Electra-Glide, Ultra Limited, Street Glide, and Road King models. 2013 and older models will need to be equipped with a HOGWORKZ LED headlight or requires a separate purchase of Harley LED headlight bracket.
Align the trim ring such that the upper tab engages into the slot of the headlight mounting bracket. Secure with the screw on the bottom.